welcome to Pedaling Past 60. My name is John. You're with me on a Sunday ride. I ride an e-bike around town. I do it to and from work. I'm going into my third winter of cycling. Today's just a joyride with a little bit of an errand. So I'm going to deliver our ballots. Let's go. We're off. We're off on a 71 degree day in October, late October, and I gotta find the drop box for the ballots. Hey, how's it going? So I believe I know the approximate location of the ballot box, and I was reminded because I was just near a political rally in the park for one of the two parties, and they gathered and made a big blue dot, a giant blue dot in the middle of the park, everybody dressed in blue. And the reason they did that was I live in a red state, and on the east side, where Omaha is located, it's mostly blue. So years ago, the state converted us, I don't know, from 4 or 5 electoral votes, where Omaha, or the small blue dot on the big red state, would be separated and divided so it's not winner take all. So 3 or 4 go red, without a doubt. There's going to be one that's going to go to the eastern side, and that event of a 269 to 269 push, tiny little blue dot, Omaha could decide the election. Wouldn't that be something? That'd be kind of neat. So it's important to vote. I hope you vote. No matter who you want to vote for, just get out there and vote. Make sure your voice is heard. Our fair city has been overrun with construction projects. The one I'm riding through is a major intersection that has been garbage for my whole lifetime. It's 5 major streets intersecting, and it doesn't seem anybody knows what to do at the stop signs. So hopefully they'll make it a little bit better for us. We'll see. Anyway, it's the cause of a lot of confusion. I'd have to show you. I'll show you. I'll put up a map, a snarling overhead shot of Saddle Creek, Leavenworth, and 48th. Let's see here. Oh, that road's closed. That's okay. It's Sunday, and a detour is just fine with me. Gosh, it's a beautiful day. Well, I've been forced onto a 4-lane street. I think I'm just going to go sidewalk. There's not a lot of traffic today. I don't know. There we go. We can do this. Across the other side of the street at least. So I have rear radar on the bike, and it's telling me there's somebody on my tail right now. They're just gonna have to pass me until I get up to this driveway. I'm on the campus of UNMC, that's the University of Nebraska Medical Center. Oh, nice pass, really nice pass. Well, let's get up on the sidewalk. Even on a lazy Sunday, people are idiots. That's not nice. That's not nice. Even on a Sunday, people get impatient. And I feel much safer up here on these sidewalks. These are a little wider than a residential sidewalk, so feels pretty good. This is the Heartland electric bike share program. It's one of the largest electric bike programs, or the fastest growing, let's say. It's the fastest growing electric bike program in the country. And I'm proud to say I did a video with them last year. I'll leave a link if you want to watch it, with their executive director. And we went for a ride together and I tested these bikes out. They're really great. And they're a neat feature of our city. Oh, I see it. I see it. Well, okay, that's not it at all. Got the drop box locations. I've got a really nice sidewalk path to get here. And I will lean my bike, get the obligatory lean photo. We made it. We made it safely. The ballots. There we go. We're back on the road. Gonna head home. As I mentioned, I'm gonna try to go slow. Just want to enjoy it. And let me show you this. Pretty nice piece of glass sculpture here. Take a cruise around it. So I'm in a very hilly area, and again, this is one of the beautiful things about this e-bike is it will drag me up and down hills. No stress on the legs, just the joy of riding a bike. Just the joy of riding a bike. And if you remember what that's like, and you want to try it again, but you know that your mobility is not in a place to get your regular bike out and ride it up and down hill, the e-bike might be something to investigate. And I would recommend trying a bike share. If you're in Omaha, you can do Heartland bike share. Go rent an e-bike off the bike share, no salespeople. Just you and the bike. You might want to do a little research on the controls before you start out, but the controls are pretty basic on a rental bike. They've got a horn, they've got good brakes, they've got headlights and taillights. They're a mid-drive, Bosch mid-drive, pedal assist. Let me start over on that. I think these rental bikes did have 3 speeds and a Bosch mid-drive. Wow, what a great day. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the sun bouncing off just the bottom of that tree up ahead of me. Well, I'm almost back home, and I thank you for riding along with me. I can't imagine there's anybody who's stuck around this long with me. Do me a favor, if you're still watching this, ride along video, hey, leave a comment. Please leave a comment saying, yeah, I made it all the way through with your boring tail end. I try not to be boring, but I think I'm just boring by nature. And The reason I make these videos is I just want to share how much fun I have, and I am having a great time on e-bikes.